Basement heavy, and I don't need a face.